be playing Plague Inc. Considering the current times, I thought this would be kind of a funny game to play. And it looks really fun from what gameplay I've seen. So, with that, let's get started. Nah, tutorials are for silly geese. I personally, I wanted to make a fungus. Here, fungi are funny. You might call me a fungi. Although I wouldn't consider myself a filthy casual, I think I'll have to play casual because apparently normal is for experienced genetic strategists, and in addition to not being one of those, I am also not normal. Alright. Disease name. Let's make it something so utterly amazing no one can resist the name, so they'll want to get infected. We're gonna call our disease communism. The game is loading. You are a new bacteria. To win, you must evolve and spread across the world, wiping out all humans in the ultimate plague. Very well. Touch the country your plague will start in. Well, the Communist Manifesto was written by a Russian, I think. So, I think we'll have to start in Russia. Communism begins in Russia. Communism has infected its first human. Weak but used to cold temperatures, it must evolve using DNA points to infect more people. Communism begins to spread. Communism is spreading from person to person in Russia and will grow exponentially. You control the plague indirectly by evolving it. Very nice. Slight chance of infection when kissing. We have to prevent that premarital eye contact, boys. So let's go with that one. Alright, we can make people lose sleep. That is perfect. Then people will be all grumpy. Communism is very, very effective at spreading. Alright. Now they're gonna get it from water. And they're gonna have coughing. And everyone will bow down to the amazing power of communism. Communism is beginning to spread around the world. Use the World Data menu, bottom right, to see which countries are not infected yet. I'd rather not think of it as an infection so much as liberation. Oh, look, here I just saw it. Yes! We're beginning to infect the states with communism. They will fall to our power. Alright. Hemophilia, I know what that does. It basically makes the blood not get harder, so you just bleed out from a paper cut. Very nice. A diagnostic team in Russia has identified a new disease which has been named communism. It is quite severe and must be investigated further. Other countries are also reporting this disease. Look at the map of Russia. It took them that long to figure out that they were being infected. Like, I don't know how intelligent these people are if they can't be trusted with a simple task of locating a disease. Unbelievable. I can't believe it actually took them that long to figure it out. Like they were at 80 million infected worldwide. Did I just see that? Yes, we've infected Greenland. We are truly unstoppable. Communism is becoming scary. Well, only to the filthy capitalists. The more scary communism becomes by hurting and killing, the harder humans will try to cure it. Remember this when evolving your disease. Alright, we got quite a few. Oh, but this isn't supposed to kill. We're just supposed to try and spread it to everywhere. So that communism is a global, like, affair, I suppose you could call it. Why would they still have the Olympics? There are 4 billion people infected. This doesn't make any sense to me. Wow, the world is nearly entirely infected. Communism has mutated and developed the vomiting symptom without using DNA parts. Perfect. I don't know what purpose that serves, but now people will have to clean up all the vomit while they're really tired because of the insomnia. No one will be happy so long as communism reigns supreme. The cure's 25% complete. They still think it's capitalism, when it truly isn't. There is no cure. Research doctors all around the world are completely focused on developing a cure for communism. Well, that's too bad, because all of them are gonna die soon. Communism is the deadliest plague ever. How is that even possible? This isn't working out the way I wanted communism to work. There are no healthy people left in the world. The last healthy person on the planet recently became infected with communism. Alright. Over half the world is dead. Seizures. Apple announces a new eye cure device to help cure communism. That makes no sense. 69, by the way. The cure's at 69, guys. Numbers are funny. Poland and anarchy. Poland is the first to fall into anarchy due to communism. Really, with all this death? Communism is saving the environment. I mean, I'm just saying. Interesting. They just declared a national emergency. Wherever the hell Angola is, it hurts my soul. I don't really think that the fall of a government is going to make much of a difference. There aren't exactly a whole lot of people to govern. Communism has destroyed the world. Despite its best efforts, the last few humans lie dying in holes with no chance of survival. We did it, guys. We successfully infected the entire world and destroyed it. Fun fact for all you guys. They have never found a cure for a coronavirus before, so chances are they will not easily find a cure for COVID. Oh, communism has successfully eliminated all life on Earth. Cool. Interesting. Cure progress 69% complete. I don't think I could have done better. Just don't look at the score total. It's only like 2 out of 5, but nonetheless, communism destroyed the humans right as they got the cure 69% complete. Alright, so thanks for watching. And make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And stay safe, wash your hands. I don't really know, I barely leave my house anyways. So, thanks for your support, and may you be blessed with eternal croissant.